Hi, I'm Harvey from Ansell Lighting. This is a new Reef S range with gobo inserts and a polycarbonate design. Let's take a closer look. The Reef range includes directional and bi-directional variants with optional PIRs on both. The Reef also has a detachable cowl, which gives a more vertical light effect when used. The updated range now features interchangeable gobo inserts, which allow you to change the light coming from the product to create different effects. This insert changes the light to a linear effect, and this one to a cone effect. These are easily inserted into the fitting. Simply remove the lens cover, insert your chosen gobo, and reattach the cover. The complete range is designed with a polycarbonate housing, ensuring it's durable in all weather environments, especially coastal settings, as the product won't degrade over time. The glands at the back of the fitting ensure the IP65 rating is maintained. To install the product, a Wago park area is available in the base for quick and efficient wiring. Simply connect your main supply and clip the lamp back to the base, ensuring you tighten the grub screw. The complete Reef range is CCT selectable between 3000K warm white and 4000K cool white and has an optional discrete PIR. The PIR settings can be quickly changed by spinning the cover and adjusting the hold time, the range and the lux of the PIR sensor.